Okay, what's up guys? I'm going to show you guys how to make a tutorial video. I had a lot of questions on how to do a green screen on Instagram Reels after I posted this video. I had comments asking how I did this. So I'm going to show you how to make a green screen video like this. It's going to be pretty simple. So what we're going to do is first I use a third-party app called Repost Plus, and it's free. So you want to get the app called Repost Plus. You can see it right here. Just look at the top. That's the name of it. And then what we're going to do is we are going to go in and find the video that we want to use. So I saved it. The 3 lines up here in the top right-hand corner. I saved that original video. You can see it right here. What you do is you hit the 3 little dots at the top right. So I click on the 3 dots at the top right. I hit copy link, copies it to your clipboard. When you open Repost Plus, it automatically saves the video into Repost Plus. So it's right here. I'm going to click it. It's the top one. I'm going to hit repost. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit story. This part is important. I'm going to hit story. It's right here. I can just hit the bottom, share to my stories right here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to hit this right next to the X at the top. I'm going to hit this little, I'm going to hit this little arrow down button, the download button with the line under it. So I hit that, and you can see it says saved right there. It saves it to your camera roll. So I'm just going to go check my camera roll, and it is saved right here. So here it is. It's got the sound and everything. So now I have that video saved to my camera roll. So the next step that I'm going to take is I'm going to X out of this. I'm not actually going to post that. It's going to pop me back into my Instagram. We can close this app. I don't need it anymore. And then I have right here my Instagram. So I'm going to go make a new reel. So I'm going to hold down right here on my story, hit add to story right there. And then I'm going to hit reels like this because we're going to make a reel. And then I'm going to hit my camera roll down here. Right here at the top by camera roll, it says green screen. I'm going to hit green screen, and the green screen is the video you want in the back. So we're going to put that in the back like that. As you can see, that video is now in the back. However, there's no sound to it right now. So I got that in the back. And then in order to make this video, all I did is I set my phone up. I went to the audio. Before showing you this video, I saved that audio from that same video. So I'm going to go to my saved audios. It's right here. I'm going to click on it. There's the audio, as you can see. And it goes like that. So I'm going to find what part of the audio I want to use, and then I'm going to hit done. And then what I'm going to do is you can just click the button to start recording, and then you will have your video recorded. So what I did is I used the timer feature. I set it for 3 seconds. I hit set timer. I step back, and then I hit record, and I recorded the video with it. I'm not the best dancer, so it took me like 10 tries to make that happen. So hope this tutorial helps you guys out and helps you understand how to do a green screen video, or the way that I did the green screen video like that, so it can turn out to look just like this. So if that helps, if it helps you, please share it with somebody else, and I hope you have a great day.